Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. As we know, Christmas is not too far away, so I wanted to make a Christmas theme project. So I went to Rosie's studio and picked up the Oh Joyful Day collection. It is available now in their online store, and I'll link the store for you down below. This is a great paper pack. I haven't actually seen the collection properly, so I thought I would share it with you here in this video. And what I wanted to make was a mini advent calendar for my granddaughter Aria, who just turned one last month. So I thought I'd make her a 12-day Christmas advent calendar, and so that was the reason why I wanted to pick this up before Christmas arrives. And let me show you what's in the collection that I purchased. There is a lot more to the collection that I didn't pick up, and there were some embellishment stickers, chipboard sticker sheets, as well as I think there are just a few other things, but it's in their online store. You can have a look at the complete collection there. But I just wanted to get the ephemera pack, the sentiment cardstock pack, their 6x6 paper pad, and their 12x12 paper pack. Their 12x12 papers are single-sided, as well as their 6x6 papers. But I just thought this would be a fun paper pack to work with, and I think it will suit Aria. She won't know what she's getting, but I just wanted to make a fun project and make her one of these, and then her mom can help her open up each of the little pieces that come in the advent calendar. And hopefully I'll be able to make it quickly before December comes, and I'll also share with you what the completed project. I just wanted to open this up and see the wonderful Christmas papers that Rosie Studio has put together. I love their papers. They're just so fun to work with. Love the colors they use for all of their papers. So this one here is, oh, look at that, Santa Claus. There's all of these. So still very traditional in their colors for this pack. So I think you get 2 of each sheet in the 6x6 papers. There are 40 sheets in the pack, and you get 6 fold pages, 20 designs, so 2 of each. And then these are the 12x12 papers, and it's a nice thickness as well, so it's not thin and it's not thick. It's just like a medium weight paper, so great to work with and easy to fold. And you get 1 of each in the pack of the 12x12 papers. Oh, I love this one. This one is a lovely one. I love this. I can't wait to make an advent calendar. This will be my first advent calendar. I've always wanted to make one. So now I have a reason to make one, and I can make one for Aria. And next year, my daughter is pregnant again, so she's due for her second baby, and it's another girl, and she's due in April. So I'll be looking forward to making 2 advent calendars next year for both Aria and her sister. So I'm going to be a grandmother again for the second time, and I'll have to tell you, I love being a grandmother. I just love it. It just makes me happy when I see my granddaughter is the best. So these are the ephemera packs. I'll just quickly open these up. I'll just put this here. I'll just do a quick open, and I want to have a look and see all the fun embellishments that come with it. So these are the die cuts that come in this pack. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be so exciting. I can't wait to share with you the advent calendar, and I'll do a tutorial as well if you wanted to make one in time for Christmas. So these are all the Christmas theme die cuts, snow globe. Easy to work with these when you coordinate your collection to make your projects. So that's the ephemera pack. I'm just doing a quick share of the ephemeras. Just not to bore you with them all, but there are a ton of these. There's so many. And very affordable in price to very reasonably priced for all of their paper supplies and die cut packs. I mean, look at that. There is just a heap of these. Look at that. Oh, I love these little tabs. Christmas quotes. Great for card making. Send these as Happy Mail. Little packs for your Happy Mail. Great to make for embellishments. Finish off your projects. So look at these. There's just a heap of these. Word sentiments. Little label cut aparts. Little banners. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Love them. So that's all of the, which ones were these? Well, these was a sentiment pack. 196 pieces in the pack. So they're very generous with their pack. And then I think that's it. So that is, these are the two embellishments packs and the 6x6 papers. You still have time to purchase your Oh Joyful Day Christmas paper collection in time for Christmas from Rosie's studio. Thank you for joining me here and being part of the just being part of sharing with you what I'm going to make. So I hope I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.